My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called G-Stars. This ransomware is from the Phobos ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes, though I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video, I'll show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. All that can be opened easily without any complications at all. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this G-Stars ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. So because of that, it is then impossible to use the data. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this G-Stars extension to the file names. Then the ransomware also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. It reveals this ransom note. Hello, my dear friend, all your files have been encrypted. Briefly, the ransomware note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. What I recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, then once it gets installed, this is the way it looks like. So it will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, yet this feature does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. But this feature helps to detect this ransomware very well and to remove it effectively and to protect the data. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. Consider upgrading to Premium. It will help you to effectively delete this ransomware and all other types of infections which could possibly still remain on the computer. Considering file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.